Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I got these cute little spooky nails that you see in the thumbnail. Stay tuned for the rest of the video to see how I did it. I'm starting off with the color Bright Barbie Pink, and I do 2 coats of this and I cure it for 30 seconds in my lamp. And then I'm going to start the designs from the easiest ones to the hardest. I'm using my dotting tool and I'm making dots, like 3 on each nail, and then I'm going to use a liner brush or detail brush and then draw straight lines going up toward the cuticle part of the nail. Once I have the lines drawn in, I draw like little arches in between each line, and then I'll start filling in that top space that's empty with the gel polish to make it all come together. I applied a second coat of that yellow-green color just to make sure that it was opaque and not so sheer, and then after that I'm going to move on to my next nail. Now I'm going in with the color True Red from Madam Glam to do my brain looking design. I draw a straight line going down the middle of the nail, and then I'm going to do each side separately. I started off doing like this Y shape, and then I extended down the rest of the nail as like little S looking shapes going all the way down. And then from there I added like more creases into, or folds into the design to make it look more realistic. You can't even see me. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, that one that you call, that you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, waste your time. I'll meet
inside a G-Class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon? Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting, and the pessimist gold medalist flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she would Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo.
Now I'm pretty much finishing up, and I'm using the black liner gel from Venalisa, and I'm going around all of my nail art and outlining it. And then I'm going to do my Frankenstyle nail last. And there's just a line going across with two lines through it to look like the little sutures that Frankenstein has on his head.
The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I was an actor, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that?
If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. Use your brain if you got time to waste it with me.
So here's my final look. I added some glitter, tear looking stuff to the eyeball nail. I really enjoyed doing this nail design. Let me know what you think about it. And like and subscribe. I'll be doing nail videos, probably uploading one every other week or every week. I'm not sure.